Hello students, this is my video. This is my video on the basis of sum of n terms of an AP. How to find the sum of n numbers in AP. Okay, n numbers means first number a, second number a plus d, third number a plus 2d and so on. Okay, we have to give the formula for that. The here numbers are a plus d, a plus 2d, similarly goes on a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the last term. So these are the terms of AP. Okay, we have to find the sum. Okay, so in sum what I will write? Sum of n term, Sn. Sn symbol for sum of n term. First term plus second term plus third term plus fourth term. Similarly, this is the last term, this is second last term, like this. The first term, second term, second last term and last term. And in first two term of the sequence and last two term of the sequence I have written, and other terms are in the between of them. The first term, second last term and last term. Okay. So if you want to write the sum of n term, we have to take the sum of each term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, second last term, last term. We can go the sequence in reverse order also. Just like you are going now 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 99 plus 100. So if you go through 100 plus 99 plus 98, yeah, 2 plus 1, answer will same. And if 1 to 100 you number you add, yeah, 100 to 1 you number you add. And 1 to 100 sum will be the same and 100 to 1 sum will be the same. So what I have done in the next, last term I have taken first, second last term I have taken the second, and second term it is the second last and first term is the last. Okay, and 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus 97 similarly goes to 2 and 1. Okay, so 100 to 1, yeah, 1 to 100, sum will be same. Okay, so I have taken as this equation 1. This is the equation 1 and that is the equation number 2. So Sn, 2 times added, 2 Sn. A and a plus n minus 1 into d keep in one bracket. A plus n minus 1 into d keep in one bracket. Then a plus b and a plus n minus 2 into d keep in second bracket. Similarly, this one and this one, if you want to keep in the third bracket, and this one you have to keep in the fourth bracket. Okay, result will say, so a and a 2a, n minus 1 into d. A and a 2a, 1d and n minus 2 into d. If you take common d, again n minus 1 into d comes. So you are adding 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How many times? N times. Just like you are writing 5 plus 5 plus 5 50 times, better to write 5 into 50. Okay, because we know that multiplication is a shortcut of addition. That if you are writing same number n times, so this number into n directly you write. So I have written n into this number, n into this. So 2Sn equal to n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is the value of sum of n term? Sum of n term equal to 2 will divide n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That means what? If you have the first term of the AP, if you have the common difference, if you have the number of terms, you put the first term value, common difference value, number of terms, and after doing calculation by putting the number in this formula, you will get the sum of n terms. We can arrange the sum of n term in another way also. Look at 2a. 2a we can write a plus a. Okay, 2a we can write a plus a n minus 1 into d. So this a is the first term and a plus n minus 1 into d, it is the last term. Okay, a plus n minus 1 into d, it is the sequence of last term. So in the place of this sequence we can put an, and if first term plus last term into n by 2, again it is the same value for the sum of n terms. Okay, if you have the first term, if you have the last term, if you have the number of terms, you put no need of common difference here. Okay, so either you use this formula or use that formula, result will be same. Okay. Now I am going to discuss some question on the basis of this. Look at some questions. Okay, let me write the formula first. On top, formula it is sum of n term, n by 2, 2a, n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is the formula. Now what is the question number 1? Question number 1 it is, find the sum of first 24 terms of the AP. 24 terms of the AP. AP it is, okay, AP, that is 5, 8, 11, 5, 8, 11, 14, dot. Okay, simple. Now solution. Your first term is 5, common difference is 8 minus 5, 3. Okay. How many terms you want? 24 terms. So n equal to 24, just put. What I want? Sum of Sn. Yani S24 numbers I want to take the sum. Sn means n value 24, the sum will be S24. Now go through the formula. S24 equal to, put here, n value 24 put here, S24, Sn means S24, 24 by 2, 2 into 5, okay, n minus 1, 24 minus 1 into d is 3, put it, S24, just go through this formula Sn. S24, n by 2, 24 by 2, 2a, 2 into 5, a value 5, n minus 1, n value 24, 24 minus 1, d value is 3, because these 3 is there. Now, 12 into 10 plus 23 into 3. It will be 12. 69 plus 10, 79. Now 12 9 108, 10, 84 and 10, 94. So here it is sum of 24 term is this. Okay, 948. Clear my dear? First check in this AP, what is the first term? What is the common difference? How many terms you have to do? 24 terms. Go through this formula, n value 24 put, 24 here also, 24 here also. First term value 5, put here 5, and d value is 3, put there 3. So 24 by 2, 2 into a, 24 minus 1 into 3, do the calculation, get the answer. Thank you. Now next question. Next question. What is the next question? Next question is there. Find the sum. Find the sum. Okay. The sum it is 25, 28, 31, dot. How many? Till 100. Till 100. Okay. 100 is the last term. 100 is the last term. 25 is the first term. The difference of this is common difference. Now solution. A equal to 25. B equal to 28 minus 25. That is 3. And last term is 100. Find first number of terms. Okay. Find first number of terms. What is the number of terms are there? You have to find how many numbers of terms are there. Then go through this formula. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An value is 100. Okay, a value 25. N minus 1 into d. D value is 3. It will subtract 75. 3 into n minus 1. So here it is 3 divided. 25 equal to n minus 1. So what is the value of n? 25 plus 1, that is 26. And in n equal to 26 you have. Clear? Now Sn, sum of n terms. Sum of n term, n by 2, 2a, n minus 1 into d. Go through this formula. N value 26, 26 by 2, 2a, a value is 25, 2 into 25, 26 minus 1, a d value is 3. So what should be the answer? It will be 13. It will be 13. 13 into 50 plus 25 into 375. So here it will be 13 into 125, 50 and 75, 125. Now do the product. Here S26 will be, answer will be 13, 5 plus 65, in hand 16, 13 into 12, 156, 156 and 6, 162. The sum of 26 term is 1625 it is. Clear my dear? 1625 it is. Clear? Now next question. Next question. One more question let me discuss. Look here. The next question. Find the sum of n term. Find the sum of first, find the sum of first n terms. Find the sum of first n terms. Okay. Find the sum of first n terms of the AP. N terms whose an equal to 5 and minus 1. Okay. So here it is AP sequence is given. This is the AP sequence. Okay. And we have to find S20 also. We have to find the S20 also. Find the sum of first n term of the AP and find S20 also. So put here. Now, if n equal to 1, a1 equal to 5 into 1 minus 1, 5 minus 1 becomes 4. If n equal to 2, so a2 equal to 5 into 2 minus 1, can be 9. So here, first term is 4, common difference is 9 minus 4 become 5, and number of terms is n. Okay, let me find out the number of terms. Now, what is the Sn? Sn equal to n by 2, 2a, n minus 1 into d. Go through this formula. Sn, n by 2, 2a, 2 into 4, n minus 1 into 5. Okay? So Sn equal to n by 2, 8 plus 5n minus 5. 5n minus 5. Okay? So here Sn equal to n by 2, 5n plus 3. Clear? This is the 5n plus 3. This is the sum of n terms. Now I want sum of 20 terms. For Sn, for S20. Okay. For S20 equal to question mark, n equal to 20 you go. And put here. Sn equal to n by 2, 5n plus 3. Okay. Sn equal to n by 2, 5n plus 3. Put the value of n equal to 20. So here S20 equal to 20 by 2, 5 into 20 plus 3. It is 10 into 100 and 303. So S20 value 1030. This is the 1030. Clear? This is the value of S20 1030. है ना? This is the value of S20. Sn equal to n by 2, 5n plus 3. That sequence I have written there. N value 20 put. Sn means S20. N by 2, 20 by 2. 5 into 20 plus 3. 100 plus 3, 103 into 10, 1030. It is S20. Thank you, my dear, for watching this.